Lucky. Come on, here we go.
I'm sorry you can't go with us, Lucky. Take good care of him. Be good, Lucky. Don't forget to practice your tricks.
We'll arrive at the AVL safe house in a few hours. Mayflower is a lovely town. A lovely, safe, boring town. Trust me, it is for the best, Drew.
And what about Grandma? And Uncle Drew?
I'm sorry, no one can know of your whereabouts. Not even family.
Bingo, there's your silver lining.
And you promised to take care of the other minions?
They'll be safe and sound at AVL headquarters. I have big plans for them.
Oh, good luck with that.